everyone, I'm Marcus. What we've got here is the latest Stealth GS77 gaming laptop. It's a powerful laptop that combines gaming and business features. Also, it's the winner of the CES 2022 Innovation Award in the gaming category. The Stealth GS77 comes with up to Intel's 12th generation Core i9 processor and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti graphics, which enable the most realistic gaming experience for gamers. Stealth GS77 is also meta-ready for you to experience the metaverse perfectly. Expect an updated design with an overall larger and stronger chassis, updated hinges and inputs, IR FHD camera and biometrics, more powerful hardware with better cooling, as well as a completely refreshed audio solution with 6 speakers. Built with 4 woofers plus 2 speakers, the Stealth GS77 delivers lively and immersive sound. This way, you can fill a whole room with your favorite music. We'll be going through different features of the laptop, including the design, I/O ports, benefits of the new CPU and GPU, Cooler Boost 5, display options and matrix display, True Color, biometric setting, and MSI Center new AI features. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's start with the aesthetics. The Stealth GS77 is a complete revamp of the previous generation. It has a wider appeal and blends in well in a professional setting. The hinge has been shifted towards the middle with a more robust material, resulting in 2 times the durability. Its ultra-slim design offers multiple connectivity options, equipped with a full-size SD card reader for faster video and photo transfer. One of the most praised features in this model is its I/O port availabilities. Along the right side, you have an SD card reader slot, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port with display, and a USB Type-C that supports Thunderbolt 4. Unlike other USB Type-C interfaces, the Thunderbolt 4 supports up to 100 watts PD charging. You are able to charge your laptop through it when you don't have a power brick, or just simply plug a power bank in and act as an extra battery. Along the left side, you have an audio combo jack which supports high-res audio, a pair of USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-A, and a webcam lock switch that ensures your privacy with a physical camera toggle. In the rear, we have an HDMI port which supports 8K 60Hz Intel Killer E3100G Ethernet LAN port, and a DC in port which supports reverse insertion. Spec-wise, MSI offers a multitude of configuration for the Stealth GS77. The highest one would be the Core i9 12900H, which features 14 cores and 20 threads. So, power-intensive tasks like rendering video or live streaming while also running multiple other apps in the background are easy for this machine. Compared to the DDR4 3200, the DDR5 4800 is 50% faster. In addition, the Stealth GS77 provides the latest NVIDIA RTX 3080 Ti, 3080, and 3070 Ti laptop GPU for higher graphics performance. So we can enjoy the monster performance both in gaming and professional use. At a thickness of less than 21mm, MSI managed to enlarge the cooling design. The Stealth GS77 is powered by Cooler Boost 5 thermal architecture, which consists of 2 fans and 6 heat pipes that decreases the CPU and GPU core temperature to provide the most stable yet performance. The Stealth GS77's display is a highlight, with the highest configuration boasting a 17.3-inch UHD 4K 16:9 with 120Hz refresh rate, and covers 100% of the DCI P3 color gamut. However, there are more display options available, including an FHD IPS level display with a 360Hz refresh rate, and QHD display with a 240Hz refresh rate and DCI P3 100% coverage. Despite offering several fabulous panel options, the Stealth GS77 is also equipped with a feature called Matrix Display, where you can connect up to 3 external monitors. You can plug 3 monitor cables into 3 different ports, including an HDMI port, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C with display, and a USB Type-C which supports Thunderbolt 4. The best thing about Thunderbolt 4 is that you are not limited to any interface as long as you have a Type-C converter. That means you're able to have 4 screens performing at 4 different tasks. Even though the Stealth GS77 is able to connect 3 external displays, the importance of the panel itself is not neglected. With True Color technology, it guarantees that each panel manufactured by MSI comes with the finest precision in color. All you need to do is press the Features Set button within the MSI Center and wait for the process to finish. The preset mode provides 5 types of optimizations for the built-in panel. You can adjust whichever fits you the best during various usage. One of the best things about this model is that despite its ultra-slim size, it still has a dedicated fingerprint reader on the Stealth GS77, placed at the right side of the keyboard, and an FHD camera with IR support. This is a big plus, since many gaming laptops devoid biometric security. You can set your laptop with fingerprint and facial recognition. It's a safe and convenient way to log into your system or even run services such as FIDO2, web authentication. To turn on Windows Hello, go to the Start menu, Settings, Accounts, Sign-in options. Before setting up your biometric, first choose a PIN code. Then you can select the Windows Hello method you want to add. Then click Setup. After you complete the process, you can enjoy the convenience of biometric security. From a businessman's perspective, the webcam not only has a software switch, but also has a physical switch to lock the webcam and protect your privacy at the highest level. MSI laptops come standard with the exclusive MSI AI engine that is capable of providing whole new intelligent features. MSI Smart Auto helps the laptop actively feel the scenarios instead of asking users to manually choose the usage modes. The intelligent system will automatically adjust the best settings in order to create a deeper connection with the scenarios. Sometimes you won't know what you really need, but our intelligent technology will always have your back and lead you on the right path. Another new feature is Ambient Silent AI, which defines what silent means in a relative way. The background noise you feel in a coffee shop and an office is different. In a coffee shop, the background noise could be above 45 decibels, whereas office noise could be as much as 30 decibels. Ambient Silent AI will actively detect the surrounding noise level and rise fan speed accordingly in order to provide higher performance for your usage. Remember to update your MSI Center to the latest version to get these functions. The gaming and business hybrid Stealth GS77 is for modern gamers who need a working laptop during the day and a gaming laptop at night. I hope you enjoyed the video and thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Middle pad, previous webcam lock, DCI-P3 color gamut.